You got someone who doesn't want to get up?
Yeah. He moved him from the front of the restaurant. He's like, hey, no problem, no problem. And then he's in a pier and he won't move. Like, I can't wake him up.
All right. And you want him? Do you want him trespass warrant from the property when we wake him up?
I mean,
And if he refuses to leave, will you press charges?
yeah.
Okay. Hey, buddy. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Come on. Time to wake up. Come on. Come on. Let's wake. Come on. Get up. Let's go. Wake up. Come on. Come on. Wake up. Get up. Sit up. Come on.
Okay.
Up. Come on. You gotta sit up. Come on. Wake up.
Please.
Wake up.
Yeah, please do not do that.
Okay. Wake up. Sit up. I'm gonna have to give you another sternum rub if you don't get up.
Right on.
All right. You got any ID on you?
No, you're not allowed.
All right. Let me have your ID, please.
Nope.
Yes. Yes. You're trespassing, and I need your ID. If you refuse, you're gonna be arrested. Yes, you are. ID, please.
Where you from?
Here, ID, please. Key West Police.
You're not allowed.
ID, please. Do you want to go to jail today? Is that what you want?
No, I'm not going to go to jail because...
You're going to if you don't identify yourself. You're trespassing. You're trespassing.
No.
You're about to go in handcuffs.
Nope. Put me in handcuffs.
Is that what you want?
You're not allowed to...
To what?
I know my rights.
Okay. Do you know that you're required by law to identify yourself?
Absolutely.
Okay. Then you need to identify yourself.
Nope. I don't have to...
You are required by law.
I don't...
So you want to be charged with resisting? Is that what you want?
No, I am not required to show you my life.
Yes, you are.
Keep moving, ma'am. Keep moving.
34, send me back up east resisting.
Keep moving, dude. I'm not required to show you any.
Yes, you are. You're trespassing right now. You're required to identify yourself.
Keep going.
You'll be issued your warning. You can leave.
Keep moving.
If that's what you want.
I'm not required to show. I know my rights.
No, he's just refusing to identify. Listen, I don't want to arrest you for something like this, for trespassing.
You have the right to arrest.
I just want to give you a warning and send you on your way.
Just keep moving, dude.
I can't keep moving. The owners of this property want you removed.
Keep moving, dude. You don't have the right to remove me. Keep moving.
Yes, I do have the right.
I know my rights.
So you're refusing.
I'm refusing.
You're refusing to leave. You're refusing to identify yourself. You're refusing all of that. Correct? Are you refusing all of that? Are you refusing? Yes or no?
Don't give me a hard time, man.
Are you refusing?
What's your name?
Officer Johnson, once again.
Officer Johnson.
If you identify yourself...
Give me your hand. Give me a hand.
No, I'm not giving my hand. If you refuse...
So I'm not giving you a hard time.
You are giving me a very hard time. You're refusing to identify yourself. This can be simply solved with a trespass warning and you moved along. But if you...
I'm not...
Are you staying at this hotel?
Officer...
All right, I'm going to have to arrest him for trespassing. You guys willing to press charges, right? Okay. All right, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Nope, I'm moving.
No, you're under arrest.
I'm moving.
You had that opportunity a second ago. Behind your back. Behind your back.
What? What am I being?
You're being arrested for trespassing and resisting.
No, I'm free to go.
34, one in custody.
I'm free to go.
No, you're not. Look away from me. Look away.
Why am I being?
You refuse to leave, and you refuse to identify yourself. So you're being charged with
I don't have to.
trespassing
I don't have to identify.
and resisting.
I don't have to identify.
Yes, you do. You're under arrest now. There's the ID. I got it now.
I don't have to be identified.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I don't actually. I don't have to be identified.
This way. This way. This way. Come on.
I don't have to be identified.
Hey, you were in handcuffs. That was.
I don't have to be identified. I don't have to be identified.
Okay.
I don't have to give you ID.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Yeah, we'll grab it.
Yeah, you do.
I don't have to be identified.
Don't move. Yep.
You can't.
Have a seat.
I don't have to be identified.
Have a seat.
I don't have to be identified.
Okay. Get in the car. Sit up.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Up.
I don't have to be identified.
Thank you. All right.
He's got a bag.
Yeah, I'll take care of that. Just wanted to get him in the car first. So, we're charging him with trespassing and resisting. He refused to identify himself, refused to leave. Don't really have a choice on that one. Who's going to be the point person for the property?
I'll do it.
Okay. Do you have your ID with you?
I can go grab it.
You can just tell me. Yeah.
Trish.
I'm on call 34. Can I get a guy's number? Put it on top of it. All right. So I'm Officer Johnson, the investigating officer. Do you have any questions for me before we take him out to county?
No.
All right. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'll take care of his bag. Right?
Yeah, we're
It's
sorry.
part of the job, man. It's part of the job. He definitely is having not a good day, so. And if he doesn't want to follow the rules, then he's going to have to go.
So we've had, looks like it's had some, we'll just throw out your So the last time we had somebody sleep under here, was it yesterday?
2 days ago, yeah, we had somebody, but she left.
Oh, someone else?
Yeah. So I'm talking to them about putting something up to kind of.
So what you can do, we have these signs. You've probably seen them around town. They got like a Key West Police badge on them, and it says Key West Police officers are allowed to trespass and remove any people from the property. That way you guys don't have to get directly involved.
Okay.
And you just post that sign wherever on it, and it gives us the authority to come here and
Perfect.
take care of things
You got those-
without having to get contacts and stuff like that.
Is that the station?
Yep, you just contact
okay.
the police station. I'm not sure who the exact person is, but if you contact dispatch, I think they'll direct you to the right person.
Awesome.
So,
Thank you.
yep.
His other shoes right there.
Hey, what's up, piece of shit?
It's not very nice.
I'm sitting around the corner waiting for that chick on schedule to get in the truck.
Yeah.
So I'm on the truck and she's gonna have to pick up the kids today.
Oh, okay.
You're good now, right? I'm gonna go on now.
Yeah. I just got a seat. If you get seatbelt on. Yeah, guys. He's like, I'm not leaving. I'm not identifying myself. I'm like, okay, fair enough. Then you're going to jail. He's not very happy.
He's going for trespassing.
I love.
Stop talking. You're done.
You're a faggot, dude.
Stop saying that.
You're a faggot. You piece of shit, dude. Piece of shit, faggot. Hey, let's go. Come on. You're a faggot. You're a faggot. You're a faggot, dude. Take me to jail. You don't even know. You don't even know. You're a faggot. Alright, let's go. Come on, piece of shit. Hey, you're a faggot, dude. Hey, you're a faggot. You're a faggot. You piece of shit, faggot. Hey, you piece of shit, faggot. Hey, faggot. Hey, faggot. You're a piece of shit, faggot. Hey, piece of... Hey, you piece of shit. Hey, this guy's, he's from, dude. He's from Philadelphia. His pizza isn't even good, man. Like, the most terrible piece of pizza is, dude. Hey, look. We're on the corner of what is this? Green Street? I don't know. He's a cop. All cops are bastards. You are a bastard. You are. All cops are bastards. I will kick this guy's ass. Come on, punch me. Come on, punch me. He doesn't have any strength. You have no strength. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt. You're gonna get hurt, dude. You're gonna get screwed. Keep on, man. Keep on. You think you're right? You're gonna get hurt, dude. You're gonna get screwed over. Like, you're gonna get hurt. We're gonna destroy you, dude. We're gonna, like, break you. You're nothing. You're nothing. Welcome to be. You're nothing. You're nothing.
Chow, he's decided to start spitting.
What?
He's decided to start spitting, so be careful.
Oh.
Yes, it's all over my window.
You gonna spit?
I don't think I have one.
I don't know.
Sure, why not? I mean, it's all over the window.
I have my right. I have my right here.
I'm gonna say this happened last
I
time.
have my right.
Yeah.
I have my right.
Well, so you can see it's all over the window.
I have my right. You get check.
Stop.
Go ahead, step out.
Stop. Get out. Get out of the car. Stand up. I got it.
Yep, all right. This way, this way. Key West PD, adult male arrest.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You need to stop.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
You need to stop.
Leave me alone. Faggot. You piece of faggot.
Put your nose in the corner to the left. Let's go.
You piece of shit.
Stop.
You're a piece of shit, dude.
Face the corner.
You're a faggot.
You're gonna go sit down on the bench to the right.
I know. You're a
Very
fucking
nice,
piece of
Mr.
shit.
Courtney.
Dude, I with your wife. Hey, can you take it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter.
Stop messing
Leave
with it. Oh. Leave it alone.
I have your daughter. Hey, can you take
Courtney with a C.
No. Leave it. Leave it.
You're a pussy, dude. You're a giant pussy. You're a giant pussy. Where'd you go? Where's your can you you're a pussy. You're a pussy, dude. Oh, it's this guy. This guy. You're a faggot, dude. Piece of shit.
Stop. Stop.
Can you pull the
You pulled it up there.
I hit the
Stop
skull.
touching it.
I got him, y'all.
If you stop, you got him? Okay. Be careful, he's been spitting.
Dude, I'm not a criminal, dude. You're not.
I don't know you from a can of paint, so.
Alright, that's fair, that's fair. You seem like a nice guy.
I try to be. I can be reasonable if you can.
I don't. I'm not a criminal person either.